So now that you know the basics of Fusion and know your way around the software and what you're looking at here, we're going to make our first design. So to do that, we're going to first save this, which you can do by hitting Control S or hitting this little icon right there. And now we're going to name it. For this, let's just name it Cube. So now we have this design. And to start the design, we're going to make a sketch. And once we have an object in that sketch, we're going to extrude it. So to start a sketch, you can use any keyboard shortcut that corresponds to a sketch tool. And for this, I'm going to show you two ways of making a rectangle. So to start, we're going to hit L for line. And then we have this pop-up where we can select the plane that we're going to make the sketch on. So for this one, we're going to select the bottom plane. Now, one way to make a rectangle is to make 4 lines, as you might imagine. So we're going to make one line, make a second line, make a third line, and if you hover over a point you can reference off of it, and we're going to make a fourth line. So look, now we have a rectangle. That took a bunch of moves though, so a simpler way of doing it is just hitting the R key, which is the rectangle tool. So you can just make a rectangle that way as well. So now, as I was talking about, the second step is to extrude it. And to extrude an object, you can hit the keyboard shortcut E. So now we select the plane that we want to extrude, and then we drag it up. We can also type in a number here. So for example, if I wanted it 40 millimeters tall, I could type in 40. So now you have a cube. Pretty simple, but hopefully will help.